Hello everyone, it's a little bit chilly here today. The seasons are changing and I'm really excited about that. For lunch today we're going to make a roasted vegetable sandwich. I have some late summer vegetables. I have an eggplant and a zucchini. We have some roasted red peppers. I have some beautiful seeded rye bread from the bakery. So I think it's all going to come together for a nice sandwich. So let me show you how I'm going to make it. I have an eggplant, and as you can see, as the season is progressing, they're getting a little bit smaller. And I have a zucchini here, and I have some roasted red peppers. I didn't make these, I actually got these out of a jar. But I'm going to slice these lengthwise and roast them in the oven, similar to the way I did for the Italian sushi video. So I'll put a link up in the corner there if you want to check out the sushi video. And then I'm going to make, from my new cookbook, a lemon aioli, which we're going to spread on the bread. I'm going to use a rye bread that I got from the bakery, which is a really nice, healthy, fresh rye. Let's go. I'm lightly brushing these with some olive oil. And I'm putting them in a low heat oven so that they don't get charred. They just kind of soften up nicely and slowly roast. Here's our plate of vegetables. I cut them lengthwise and thin like this so they easily fit on sandwich bread. I'm just sprinkling each of these with a little bit of salt. I'm following my basic lemon aioli recipe from my new cookbook. I'm not going to follow the measurements though, because this would make an entire, well, about 3/4 of a cup. I'm just making enough for these two sandwiches, but I am going to follow the same basic ingredients. We're going to start out with some mayonnaise, some lemon juice, some garlic, Dijon, salt and pepper. It's very easy. And don't forget, my cookbook is available in stores nationwide now. Now we're making the aioli. I have some mayonnaise in here, some minced garlic. I added a little bit of salt. I'm adding a little bit of cracked pepper. I'm squeezing in a touch of lemon juice. And I'm stirring in a little bit of Dijon mustard. So all of this is going to combine to make our lemony aioli. Very easy to make little flavored mayonnaise sandwich spreads like this. So I think that looks pretty good. I have this rye bread from the bakery. It's a seeded rye. I'm just going to pop it in the toaster for a minute, and then we'll build our sandwiches. This rye bread smells so good. Our bread is lightly toasted. Our vegetables are out of the oven. I ended up cooking them for about 30 minutes on 350, and I flipped them over halfway in between. I just wanted to slow cook them. And I've sliced up some little fresh mozzarella balls that we're going to add to our sandwich. And of course, we have our aioli. So let's build. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. Please share it with your friends. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you notice, there's a new little feature down below the video that says applause. You might want to check it out. I'll see you next time. Bye.